got the worst jobs record of any president in modern time.
Sean, you need to date the job creation from when the free fall ends.
Here's the problem.
Dated from the middle of the free fall. Okay, what you're doing. You're saying what was directed.
When does he take responsibility?
The job losses that you're describing were 5 million jobs lost of the 8 million lost in the recession. He comes in the middle of the free fall. He said at the end of the recession, he has added about 3 million jobs.
So you know what? He's done such a great job, and by your math, even though we've lost millions of jobs, you're saying it's a net gain of jobs. This is now we're back to created or saved jobs. All right, here's my question.
No, not created or saved. I'm saying there's a difference between going down 8 and back up 3 than jobs.
The only job
Creation down 5, and
has
you're
been in
describing that as going down 5.
The only job, no, since he's been president, we have a net loss of millions of jobs, which means, in fact, this is the worst jobs record.
Yeah, Sean, this is like
You're repeating
I
yourself.
took your team